Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the microphone on your phone. SAMSUNG Galaxy S23 FE. For this we need a brush, a longer one with soft flexible bristles so it doesn't scratch the phone, but flexible enough to return to its original shape. We need isopropyl alcohol, 100%, so that after the process it completely evaporates and leaves no residue. You can buy this brush and this alcohol dispenser as a set. On Allegro or Amazon you can buy them yourself. If you don't have these items, you can also use a toothbrush, just make sure it's soft or medium hard. You need to dip the brush, and of course the phone must be completely turned off. Never clean your phone while it's on. Simply soak the brush thoroughly in alcohol. If you don't have such a diffuser, just pour the alcohol into a small container and simply use your toothbrush. The microphone is on this side, it's the little dot to the right of the port. You need to go in every direction, so 6 strokes in one direction, 6 strokes in the other, then 6 strokes downward and 6 strokes upward, just to thoroughly clean that little hole and make sure our microphone works without any issues. The little hole on the right side is the microphone, so we clean that hole the best and the most thoroughly. Repeat this process 5 times in each direction. Do it 2 or 3 times just to make sure it's really clean. Then we start cleaning the second microphone, which is at the top. This is the microphone for noise cancellation, for the voice recorder, so it's also worth cleaning it, because our voice will simply be heard much better on the phone if this microphone works just as well. It doesn't get dirty as quickly as the bottom one, but it's still worth cleaning it while you're at it. In every direction, just a few times until the microphone hole is completely clean. It will be perfectly clean. Then leave the phone for about 10 minutes to let the alcohol evaporate. It's important to wait 10 to 15 minutes until the alcohol has fully evaporated, and then you can use your phone at home. Thank you very much for your attention. That's all for today. I would like to ask for likes, thumbs up, and subscriptions. See you in the next video.